Hey guys, hope you're smelling great. Today I'm unboxing 1 million Privé by Paco Rabanne. 1 million Privé is a flanker to the popular 1 million. So let's get right into the video. I'm here taking off the cellophane plastic. I just want to tell you something. You know that Jamaicans love 1 million. Right now, if you ask a Jamaican which fragrance are the best, him I go tell you 1 million. Okay guys, so here we have the box. On the side, nothing is on the sides. And this is gold. And here in the middle, you have the 1 million sign. Privé, Paco Rabanne, 100 ml, 3.4 ounces, EDP. Under the bottom, here you have the batch code, serial number, and barcodes. So I'm going to pull fragrance on the box. Wow, what a nice, unique bottle. Alright, so here we have brown amber looking juice. Alright, so right here on the plaque, as you can see, you have the 1 million, you have the Privé, and you have million engraved on the plaque. Alright, you have the 1 million here. You have some information right under the bottom. Alright, this bottle looks like a gold brick. Okay guys, so let's talk about the note. Top note we have cinnamon, blood mandarin. Middle note we have tobacco and myrrh. And on the base we have tonka bean and patchouli. Okay guys, and this fragrance is suitable for fall and winter and even nighttime wear. So I'm going to go ahead and spray some sprays from the atomizer. Alright, ready? Alright. Oh my, this fragrance smells sweet, spicy, seductive. You can also smell the 1 million DNA. Also smell like baked apple pie with lots of cinnamon. Sophisticated. This fragrance is intimate. This fragrance, the smell of it, something I would definitely wear on a date night. So guys, if you're looking for a fragrance to wear a night out or on a date, you can definitely pick this one up. And this is an improved version of the original 1 million. So guys, if you love 1 million, please to give this video a like. And also, let's comment and let's talk about fragrance. So guys, are you going to pick up 1 million this fall or winter time? I pick up this fragrance here in Jamaica from TJ on Instagram. I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below. And I also going to link some other sellers that you can get this fragrance to purchase from. And online you can also get this fragrance from perfume.com, fragrance.net.com, and Amazon. Thanks for watching the video. Please remember to subscribe on your way out.